Hey, what's up, RC enthusiasts? It's David from RunThatRc. Back here again with this B36. My last video I showed you a failure one of the suspension leaves had. Well, I don't really think I found a fix. I kind of more just did a repair for now so I can do more running with this vehicle. I do have another one on its way, and on my previous video I had a comment from someone that says just not to tighten up these screws all the way and it should eliminate this problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try with my other B36 kit, but for now I have this one right here repaired. Let's pull that wheel off so you can see. Not sure if you can check that out or not, but you see right there, all that is right there is Gorilla Tape. Just to reinforce the Gorilla Tape to make it stay on there, there's some super glue right before I put the Gorilla Tape on. I put some super glue down there. Then I wrap the Gorilla Tape and I put some more super glue on the outside of the Gorilla Tape, especially on the top. Sorry for the loud banging sound, but just trying to get some light here. So yeah, if you look right there, all that shiny stuff you see there is just super glue sitting on top of baking soda. I don't know if you guys have ever done that before or ever seen that fix. Pretty much once you put baking soda on super glue, it hardens instantly and becomes like this really hard stuff that you can sand down and do whatever with. But as you can see here, it sticks really well to the metal. It hasn't come apart yet. And I wrapped around the Gorilla Tape exactly where that joint broke. Let me grab the camera for you guys here so you can see what I'm looking at. So down there, that screw that holds the leaf in place, there's actually two strips of Gorilla Tape underneath that, running from the strip, from here all the way to this strip right here. And that's hopefully gonna reinforce it and hold it in place, and the leaf spring seems to work as normal. Not having any issues with this repair. In fact, I did it to the other side too, just because it was about to break, so might as well. And let's see how this holds up until I get my new B36 and do that. Just don't tighten these screws all the way, leave a little gap there, and let's see if that fixes it. If that fixes it, then well, that's a way better fix. I'll go ahead and purchase new leaf springs for this sucker and do that for it. Well, thanks again to that other person at the other video for that advice, and let's see how that goes once I get it, and I'll update you on how all this goes. You guys have a great day, and go run that RC.